Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be air frying lemon pepper chicken wings. So I'm just cleaning my chicken wings, cutting them off, stuff like that. So this is how I cut my chicken wings. So we only need a few ingredients. First, canola oil, lemon pepper seasoning, and of course my favorite breading mix, crispy fry, that you can get from any Asian store. So I just sprayed my chicken wings with canola oil before coating it with my breading mix. By the way, this is not sponsored by any of the products mentioned in the video. So we're just going to need a Ziploc. Pour that breading mix into our Ziploc, and then mix the lemon and pepper seasoning together with the breading mix. Mix it together, and once you're done mixing it together, now it's time for you to add the chicken wings to coat them evenly with our flavored breading mix. You just have to zip it and coat it evenly. Make sure everybody gets coated. Every wing gets coated by this breading mix. And once you're done doing that, it's time for us to air fry it. Put it in the air fryer. I sprayed a little bit of canola oil as well on my air fryer. Add the chicken wings. And I set my air fryer to 30 minutes and 400 degrees. So make sure you check your chicken wings after 15 to 20 minutes, and this is how it looks like. So we have to flip it over. I always flip whatever I cook over in the middle of the timer. And then I added additional 5 more minutes on my cooking, so a total of 35 minutes to cook my chicken wings. And done. This is how our air fried chicken wings looks like. As you can see, it doesn't look greasy, and it doesn't filled with so much breading as well. And I added a little bit of parsley flakes just to put a little bit of decorations on our chicken wings. And this is my version of lemon and pepper chicken wings in an air fryer. So this is how it looks like, and now it's time for us to taste it. So as you can see, it is cooked through the bones. Thank you.